The hell was that? Part 2. So part 2 to the transfer of Plow from Big Black, which is over there. I'll show you. Poor thing, dude. It's all right though. I'm not giving up just yet. I can't, dude. I've had that thing for forever, bringing a tear to my eye. So people have asked, did I give up on Big Black or did I get rid of it or whatever? No, it's right there. And that right there, this thing it's going to do a transfer of ownership. So it used to be on that truck. So they got the electrical side in this truck right here right now. Go ahead and click, dude. This is like luxury. Check this out. Oh, what the hell, dude? I can pop my trunk or whatever it is. I can pop my tailgate with the click of a button. So this is the truck side mount kit that I needed. It's number 77102 or 102, and you can see right there, mount kit Ford Super Duty 2017. It's basically 2017 on up. So this has all the brackets, bolts, and everything that I needed to go ahead and install it on BBF, because that's kind of like the name, I guess, that this truck has. This truck is called BBF, I guess. And like, if you're smart, right? Okay, so what was the other truck? What was that truck? What was that called? If you know the channel, you know me, you know what that truck was called. So why is this truck called BBF? Okay, there's a lot of like things that are going into like this truck, and the reason why I have this particular unit. So BBF, that's the name of this truck. At least that's what I'm going with for now. But anyways, yeah, so here's your kit. Weighs a couple pounds. The guy like brought it out with the stupid not forklift. What the hell is it called? The thing there with the wheels. It's called a hand truck, guy. The thing with the wheels. It's called a hand truck. At least that's what they used to call it back in the day. I actually still have my grandfather's original hand truck from St. Johnsbury Trucking Company when he worked for that company. It is a super old unit that I need to replace the handles on, but the rest of the unit is mint. And I think over the winter, I'm going to restore that. I got to figure out how to do the handles. Whether if I'm going to have like handles made or if I should just like make handles. Because it takes a specific kind of wood. It needs a real good hard wood. And I would like it to mimic what it was, which this is kind of missing the top hand part of the hand truck. So it's got all the other parts, and it even has one of his original locks on it that I don't have the key for. I suppose I could probably find somebody to pick that lock and maybe figure out what kind of key to put in, but I don't know. It's just something from my grandfather, so yeah. Yeah, it's called a hand truck, guy. And this thing is brand new. You can see right there, 7/30/2025 was when this was packed. So, yeah, pretty cool. So this is going on BBF.